Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Hyundai key. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys.
Hello everybody, we are working on a 2021 Hyundai Kona. This is a regular key ignition. We are just programming the remote. The Hyundai Kona does not require programming of the key itself. This is going to be a regular Kona. 2018 and up should do. The blade key. Let the machine that's hooked up into the OBD. We're going to go into the remote system. Pull the key out of the ignition. Press any button. And it took it. We're not programming any other vehicles. The key works. And let's start the car. And we are all done. That's how you program the remote for the Hyundai Kona. And again, the key does not have a programmable chip in it, so there is no required chip. Just needs to plug in and go. Thanks for watching, guys.